Hey everyone, today's video I will be showing you why the Characters app in Ubuntu and GNOME desktops is underrated. This, you might think like, oh well, it just has a bunch of emojis in here and it's, has random punctuation that I can just type with my keyboard. I'm going to tell you why this is very, very underrated. Before we start though, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. If you want to type a certain emoji and you always search for the emoji on the internet and then copy and paste it, or do something else, or something that takes more steps than what I'm about to show you, you can click the super key and then just simply type, let's do the laughing emoji, right? So let's just type laughing, and here we can see that it says rolling on the floor laughing, and here is that emoji, and we can simply just type the word laughing here, and we don't even have to select anything except for just click enter, and now we have copied that emoji. And here's to show it to you, text editor, right? If I go to the text editor and I do Control V, I have just pasted this emoji into the text editor. And if I wanted the apple emoji, right? Apple emoji, we would go down here. Sometimes it doesn't automatically select it. You can click the enter button, but that's only if the Characters app section is actually on the top. Right now my files are on the top, but if you don't have that, then you'll either have to click tab and go down onto it, or just click it and then it copies it for you. And now we can do Control V and it pastes us the apple. And now if we wanted an angry emoji, we can just search for angry face, click enter, and then paste it in here. So you get the idea. I'm not going to show you literally every single emoji here, but you get the idea. So this Character app, so all that stuff comes from the Character app and not from, there's nothing, I was about to say the overview, but everything in the overview comes from an app. So it comes from the Character app. That's what I'm trying to say. And so in here, the Character app, you might find it pretty useful if you find it and actually use it. If you want to find a laughing emoji, you can just type laughing, and then you'll find it right here. And if you click it, you can see the Unicode value for it if you wanted to type the Unicode, or you can just click copy character, and now you have copied the character like that. So it's a pretty good tool to have. Something that I'm also a little bit that I like a little bit with this is it has letters and symbols in here. So in punctuation, we do have some of the weird characters that I personally never use ever. Let me see one. Yeah, there's a lot of the ones in here that I never ever use. I barely use any of these things. We even have this random wiggly vertical line. It's literally called wiggly vertical line. We can copy this character and paste it in here. Now we have a bunch of wiggly vertical lines. So, this has literally every possible computer character in Unicode, I believe. This is Unicode, right? Yeah, Unicode. So, we even have this giant thing here. We can paste this. And that is that. So wait, there's pictures in here. Isn't this just some of the emojis? There's also some emojis. I don't know what pictures exactly means. Oh wait, wow. There's an entire snowman in here. Interesting. Yeah. So currencies. Whoa. Yeah, we've got a lot of currencies. We've even got Bitcoin in here too. In math, we also have all your math symbols. So for all the mathematicians in here, let's just say less than or equal to, right? You could get this less than, over, equal to, copy this character, but if you search for this, right, less than, over, equal to, you can copy that as well. So if you constantly type less than or equal to for some reason, then by all means go in the overview and do that. So we do have letters in here. So for example, if you're looking for theta, which is just a Greek letter for looking for signifying an unknown angle, right? We do have that somewhere in here, I think. If I just look deeply in here, I don't know exactly where. Look, if I search for it, we have a bunch of theta. Actually, well, look at this. We have capital theta symbol. We have Greek theta symbol. We have Greek small letter theta. We have Greek capital letter theta. We have other ones. We have mathematical bold capital theta symbol. Yeah, so this is probably in the math section. I just didn't see it. We have mathematical bold capital theta. We have mathematical bold small theta. we have mathematical bold theta symbol, and look at how many thetas we have. So this is every single possible computer character you can type. That's basically why I actually appreciate the characters app, because this is something that I use a lot ever since I found this one. Like before, I used to always search on the internet for emojis and then just highlight it and then copy and paste it, and it was just, a hassle. And I can just say laughing, and then now I have it copied to my clipboard. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that, since most of my viewers are not subscribed. I think it's 99% that aren't subscribed, so there's only 1% of people that actually subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'd really appreciate that. Please leave a comment down below if you found this interesting, and I will see you next time.